बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू इंटेंसिव स्टडी। आज के लेक्चर में हम करंट अफेयर्स करेंगे मई के मंथ के। हम नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल तमाम अहम अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। आज के लेक्चर में हम जो भी लर्न करेंगे इसकी पीडीएफ फाइल आपको टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मिल जाएगी, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है। वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहें। लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। The WHO on May 3rd, 2021 handed over ambulances and motorcycles to Daesh for use by Provincial Health Department, बलोचिस्तान। वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने 3 मई 2021 को एम्बुलेंसेस और मोटरसाइकिल्स बलोचिस्तान के चीफ मिनिस्टर जाम कमल खान अलियानी को दिए प्रोविंशियल हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट के यूज़ के लिए। Saudi Arabia agreed to finance the construction of 80 Canal Jamia Masjid King Salman bin Abdul Aziz in which city? Islamabad. Saudi Arabia has agreed to finance the construction of 80 Canal Jamia Masjid King Salman bin Abdul Aziz in International Islamic University, Islamabad, said Special Representative to the Prime Minister on Religious Harmony and Middle East Hafiz Muhammad Tahir Mahmood Ashrafi. PIA has started direct flights from Karachi to Daesh to promote tourism. Skardu. Pakistan International Airlines has started direct flights from Karachi to Skardu to promote tourism in Gilgit-Baltistan. The first PIA Airbus 320 with 178 passengers and 8 crew members landed at the Skardu airport on Monday, 24 May 2021. The airline will operate 2 weekly flights from Karachi to Skardu. Earlier on April 7, the national carrier had launched a direct flight operation from Lahore to Skardu twice a week. Recently, which country to win WHO's award for anti-tobacco campaign? Pakistan. The World Health Organization Regional Office for the Eastern Mediterranean has announced the World Number Tobacco Day 2021 award for Pakistan for its effective anti-tobacco campaign. Recently, Facebook partners with Daesh for fiber network in Pakistan, Neatil. In its first ever investment in Pakistan, Facebook has partnered with Neatil to improve and expand connectivity across the country. Under this partnership, Neatil will own, build, maintain, and operate a new fiber network and provide wholesale capacity to mobile operators and ISPs, while Facebook will invest in the fiber build and support network planning. This high-speed fiber will connect thousands of sites by 2022. When senior Awami National Party leader Begum Naseem Wali Khan has died of cardiac and diabetes complications on May 16, 2021. Recently, in Rawalpindi Ring Road scam, which spam on May 17, 2021, resigned from his position Zulfikar Abbas Buhari. As the Rawalpindi Ring Road project controversy deepens, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister Zulfikar Abbas Bukhari on May 17, 2021 resigned from his position, and Aviation Minister Ghulam Sarwar rejected giving benefit to the private housing society while offering to quit politics if corruption charges against him in the mega scandal proved. Pakistan origin Sadiq Khan re-elected mayor of Daesh for a second term, London. Sadiq Khan was elected mayor of London for a second term in tighter than expected race, providing a boost to the opposition Labour Party after a series of disappointing results in local elections. Khan, who became the first Muslim to head a major Western capital after his victory in 2016, who has been appointed as the chairman of Executive Committee of National Economic Council, Shaukat Tareen. Prime Minister Imran Khan has reconstituted the Executive Committee of the National Economic Council to fill the void created after the exit of former Finance Minister Dr. Abdul Hafiz Sheikh. After a gap of 3 years, when PIA resumes flight operation to Zohob, May 18, 2021. Recently, PTA issued mobile device manufacturing authorization to Daesh foreign and local companies for the production of mobile devices locally. 19. When Prime Minister Imran Khan launched a SaaS Saving Wallets initiative for poor women on May 24, 2021. Which of the following court unfreezed PIA assets in Reko Dick award case? British Virgin Island High Court. The High Court of the British Virgin Islands on May 25, 2021 has ruled in favor of Pakistan in the Reko Dick case and ordered to restore all the frozen assets of PIA. The British Virgin Island Court has rejected the Tatian Copper Company's plea and ordered it to pay Pakistan's legal cost in the case. What's the name of the first ever Pakistan Egypt joint air defense exercise? Skyguard 1. First ever Pakistan Egypt joint air defense exercise Skyguard 1 2021 was held in Egypt's capital Cairo. The 2-week long joint exercise is aimed to bolster the military cooperation between the two countries in the face of existing and emerging threats in the air defense domain. Recently, Pakistan and Russia signed an IGA to develop Pakistan's stream gas pipeline for gas transportation from Karachi to Kasur. Who became the first ever Muslim Pakistani female elected member of the London Assembly? Hina Buhari, a Pakistan schools teacher daughter, has made history by becoming the first ever Muslim Pakistani female elected member of the London Assembly in what is being seen as a great moment of breaking the barriers. Which country has become the first country to allow driverless cars on roads? UK. The United Kingdom has become the first country to announce regulation for the use of self-driving vehicles at low speeds. The UK wants to be at the forefront in rolling out autonomous driving technology. The government of the UK forecasts that around 40% of UK cars will have self-driving capabilities by 2035. Mark Selby has become world champion for fourth time in which game? Snooker. Which African country has designated Tigray People's Liberation Front and OLF Sheen as terrorist organization? Ethiopia. On 1st May 2021, the federal government of Ethiopia formally approved a parliamentary resolution designating it the TPLF as a terrorist organization. Maria Ressa conferred UNESCO World Press Freedom Prize 2021 who belongs to Philippines. Budget 9 or B9 is a group of 9 countries from which international bloc NATO. 9 countries Bulgaria, the Czech Republic, Estonia, Hungary, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Romania and Slovakia established a platform for political consultation and cooperation with NATO. NATO has launched joint military exercise named Defender Europe 2021 in which country? Albania. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization or NATO has launched a joint military exercise named Defender Europe 2021 in Albania. This is the first such large-scale exercise in the Western Balkan region since World War II. Which space agency mass mission is to explore aerial scouting for better exploration of Mars? USA. In which country is the Roca Geopark located, in which the world's longest pedestrian suspension bridge is built? Portugal. The world's longest pedestrian suspension bridge has been built in Roca Geopark, a UNESCO-recognized site in the northern Portugal. The bridge spans to a length of 516 meters and is constructed at a height of 175 meters above the river Pavia. Paiva. Previously, the record was held by Charles Nonnen Bridge in the Swiss Alps. When countrywide peaceful protest against the ongoing Israeli aggression in Palestine will be held in Pakistan on May 21, 2021. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi on May 17, 2021 used the National Assembly platform to give a call for countrywide peaceful protests against the ongoing Israeli aggression in Palestine on May 21, Friday. Pakistan launches new airline to boost tourism named Northair. A new private airline Northair with an aim to promote Pakistan as a global tourist destination. The Civil Aviation Authority recently issued tourism promotion on regional integration license to the airline. Recently, Pakistan formally handed over 3 JF-17 Thunder aircraft to which country? Nigeria. The Pakistan Aeronautical Complex Camra formally handed over three JF-17 Thunder aircraft to the Nigerian Air Force at a graceful ceremony held at the Nigerian Air Force Base, Makudri, on May 21, 2021. Who has been appointed as the National Security Advisor to the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Moeed Yusuf. Prime Minister Imran Khan has appointed Dr. Moeed Yusuf as the National Security Advisor, an official said on May 18, 2021. When FM Shah Mahmood Qureshi addresses an emergency meeting of the Yonga called to discuss Israel's devastating violence against the Palestinians on May 20, 2021. Recently in South Asia, which country is the last country added to Amazon seller list? Pakistan. Amazon formally added Pakistan to its sellers list on May 21, 2021. We are excited to announce that as of today, Pakistani entrepreneurs are eligible to sell on Amazon. We are eager to work with Pakistan's dynamic business community, including small and medium sized sellers, and help connect them with customers around the globe. A message from Amazon International Seller Services Vice President Eric said. Prime Minister Imran Khan is leaving for Saudi Arabia on 3-day visit from which date? May 7 to 9, 2021. Prime Minister Imran Khan is leaving for Saudi Arabia on Friday, May 7, 2021 on a 3-day visit, May 7 to 9, and a number of bilateral agreements and memorandums of understanding are expected to be linked between the two countries during his visit. Which international organization has listed a SARS emergency cash among top 4 social protection interventions globally in terms of number of people covered? World Bank. The World Bank, in a report released on Saturday, May 15, 2021, recognized a SARS emergency cash among the top 4 social protection interventions globally in terms of the number of people covered. Who became the youngest Pakistani summit Everest and host the country's flag there? Shehroz Kashif. Shehroz Kashif, 19, becomes the youngest Pakistani to summit Mount Everest. History was created on Monday, May 10, 2021, as this young Pakistani mountaineer, Shehroz Kashif, conquered the 8,848 meter of Mount Everest. Shehroz has started his journey on April 6. He used supplemental oxygen on his climbs to Broad Peak and Everest. Shehroz has dedicated his success to Ali Sadpara. Recently, Pakistan and which country signed prisoner transfer deal? पाकिस्तान और किस कंट्री ने साइन किया है कि वो कैदी ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे? सऊदी अरेबिया ने. A close aide to the Prime Minister announced on May 10, 2021 that Islamabad and Riyadh has signed a prisoner transfer agreement to repatriate over 2,000 Pakistani prisoners languishing in Saudi Arabia's jail. Zulfi Bukhari, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Overseas Pakistanis, made this announcement on Twitter saying Pak and KSA have signed prisoner transfer agreement for the return of 2,107 Pakistani prisoners languishing in KSA jails. Iran's Revolutionary Guards unveiled a new combat drone with range of 200 km, named it Dash in a tribute to Palestinians, Gaza. Iran's Revolutionary Guards Friday 21st May 2021 unveiled a new combat drone dubbed Gaza in a tribute to Palestinians. The force official website reported hours after a ceasefire between Israel and Palestinian armed groups took effect. Israel accepts which Arab country's proposal for Gaza ceasefire? Egypt. Israel's Security Cabinet approved an end to military operations in the bruising 11-day hostilities in Gaza Strip. Which country has launched a consultation process for free trade talks with India? UK. The United Kingdom has launched a 14-week consultation process involving business representatives to start free trade talks with India. This process comes ahead of the formal launch of free trade talks expected in September-October. India is seen as a huge market for British goods like whiskey, cars, and services. Recently, which country has released Islam map? Austria. Austria released a national map of Islam, portraying mosques, communities, and other such places of congregation across the country. Multiple media outlets reported. Who becoming the first blind man in Asia and the third in the world to climb Mount Everest? Zheng Hong. The 46-year-old Chinese Zheng Hong has scaled the tallest peak in the world from the Nepal side, becoming the first blind man in Asia and the third in the world to climb Mount Everest. China's father of hybrid rice, Yuan Longping, died on which date? May 22, 2021. Yuan Longping, a Chinese scientist who developed high yield rice varieties that helped feed people around the world, died on May 22 at a hospital in the southern city of Changsha. The Xinhua news agency reported he was 91 years. Google's first ever physical retail store set to be open in New York. Alphabet Inc.'s Google recently revealed that it would be opening its first ever physical retail store in New York City this summer. The tech giant store will be located in the city's Chelsea neighborhood near its New York City campus, which houses over 11,000 employees. Nigeria's Army Chief Lieutenant General Ibrahim Atahiru died in a plane crash on which date? May 21, 2021. Nigeria's Army Chief Lieutenant General Ibrahim Atahiru died in a plane crash on May 21, 2021 on an official visit to the northern state of Kaduna, which has had security challenges in recent months. Israel and Hamas have agreed to a ceasefire ending and day conflict, 11-day conflict. Israel and Hamas have announced a ceasefire after 11 days of fighting in which 232 Palestinians in Gaza and 12 people in Israel have been killed. Which is the first country to ban all synthetic cannabinoids? China. The Chinese government has announced that all synthetic cannabinoids will be included in the list of banned drugs. Synthetic cannabinoids come under the category of manufactured chemicals that target the same receptors in the brain as the natural cannabinoids in marijuana. The authorities announced a ban on 18 October psychoactive substances. Which country has authorized vaccinating children of ages 12 and above? USA. World's largest iceberg breaks off Antarctica and earning the name A76. A huge ice block has broken off from western Antarctica into the Weddell Sea, becoming the largest iceberg in the world and earning the name A76. Which company has built the world's biggest airplane ever? Named Rogue Stratolaunch. Stratolaunch is an American aerospace company which has built the biggest airplane ever named Rogue. The aircraft is named after a giant bird of Arabian and Persian mythology. Lord's Resistance Army, which was seen in the news recently, is associated with which country? Uganda. The Lord's Resistance Army is a rebel group that operates in African countries including northern Uganda, South Sudan, the Central African Republic, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Recently, in a landmark judgment, the International Criminal Court has sentenced a former military leader from Uganda and commander in the Lord's Resistance Army to 25 years in prison after he was found guilty of war crimes and crimes against humanity. Internet Explorer IE is the flagship browser of which technology company? Microsoft. Tech giant Microsoft announced its plans to retire the web browser for certain versions of Windows 10 on June 15, 2022. After that time, it will not provide support of our Internet Explorer. Which country is to play host to the FIFA U17 Women's World Cup 2022? India. The FIFA Council has approved India to host the 2020 U17 World Cup from October 11 to 30, 2022. This tournament was earlier scheduled to be held in 2021 but has been postponed due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Similarly, the FIFA U20 Women's World Cup for 2022 would be hosted by Costa Rica. Turkey has brought which type of firms into the ambit of anti-money laundering and terrorism financing regulation? Cryptocurrency trading firm. The government of Turkey's official gazette recently added the firms involved in cryptocurrency trading into the ambit of anti-money laundering and terrorism financing regulation. Which technology company has created a 2 nanometer chip, the smallest and most powerful microchip? IBM. IBM announced that it has created a 2 nanometer chip, which is the smallest and most powerful microchip ever developed. At present, most of computer chip powering devices use 10 nanometer or 7 nanometer process technology. Which aerospace company has announced the Dog 1 mission to the moon? SpaceX. What's the name of the operation launched by the Indian Armed Force to tackle COVID-19 pandemic? Operation Kojit. The Indian Armed Forces have launched Operation Kojit to support anti-COVID-19 efforts of the country. It aims to strengthen medical infrastructure and oxygen supply chains and to ensure the mental well-being of people. Which social media platform is testing a feature named Tip Jar, which enables users to send money to favorite accounts? Twitter. Microblogging platform Twitter is testing a new tip jar feature globally where iOS and Android users can send money directly to their favorite accounts. Initially, only a small group of people, including non-profits, journalists, and creators around the world who use Twitter in English, will be able to add tip jar to their profile and receive tips. Simorgh, which was making news recently, is the strongest supercomputer of which country? Iran. Simorgh, named after a mythical Persian bird, is Iran's strongest supercomputer launched to the date. It was developed domestically by Tehran's Amir Kabir University of Technology. The supercomputer has a performance capacity of 0.56 petaflops at present and will reach 1 petaflop in 2 months. Sindh government recently appoints Dash as Karachi Police Chief इमरान यकूब मिन्हास 10 मई 2021 को इमरान यकूब मिन्हास को एज कराची पुलिस चीफ अपॉइंट किया गया और इनसे पहले चीफ गुलाम नबी मेमून थे जिनको रिमूव कर दिया गया इस पोस्ट से. Recently, Pakistan Navy participates in exercises with US, Canada named Chinook Archer. Pakistan Navy ship SAFE participated in Operation Chinook Archer along with ships and aircraft of the United States and Canada to check smuggling along the Hash Highway to the east of Oman. Who has become the first female Secretary General of the Army of United States? Christian Wormuth. Kristen Elizabeth Wormuth is an American defense official and career civil servant who serves as the 25th and current United States Secretary of the Army, the first woman to serve in the position. Wormuth previously served as the Under Secretary of Defense for Policy from 2014 to 2016. आज का टॉपिक यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हुआ. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, इसे शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलते रहें. थैंक यू.